Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, August 16th, and we are looking at window traders. Market profile of the ES&P NQ. So after spiking late in the day yesterday in L period, we spent the entire overnight in ES for the most part below the price spike, which is C's low. NQ has been back and forth, as you can see, through it. Their wide overnight POC is above the price spike. Our wide overnight POC is below it. So the market's comfortable as of right now for the most part, trying to push lower. Don't forget we have these stupid Fed minutes out at 2 p.m. Eastern time today. Why they're not released prior to the open is absolutely a mystery to me. So we're going to have to deal with that later. I will trade today though, whatever's in front of me, right? I'll just make sure come 2 o'clock, just like any Fed day, I'll have no position and see how these knee-jerk reactions by the algos affect the market and short-term traders. Righty also has a very wide overnight POC. They did not, they made a new low in M, but certainly not with the distance that NQ and ES did. So they're right now in value, in balance. Volume this morning, nothing crazy. It's only 460,000. Yesterday's volume was only 75 million. Better than we had, obviously, the day before when we had our lowest volume of the year, but nothing great. So what is the game plan? Well, our line in the sand is C's low, right, for a couple of reasons. That's the price spike, and the value low is right above it. We talk about this all the time. Acceptance above that price spike and back into value, you're going to trade at the 10-wide point of control, which is right near the overnight high. We know how important the overnights are. Okay, so any failure to get the overnight low and acceptance back into here, well, sellers are going to start giving it up. On the flip side, we're down now in the weekly and the daily. They finally filled that gap in SPY yesterday. So any new lows is just going to keep exasperating the moves down and put anybody over the last days and weeks above these levels underwater. So a couple of quick plays early. You can front run the overnight low because it's so close to yesterday's low, but I would use that as my out below it because you're going to have at least overlapping the lower, if not lower value. And on the flip side, you can take a short against C's low, right? And then it depends how much heat you want to take. You want to just take it up into the value low, take a couple of points worth of heat, that's fine. Do you want to take a lot more heat up to the 10-wide point of control in the overnight high? That's a different story. So those are all early plays. Chart-wise, so we're down on the daily. I said in last night's video, I believe it's the first time since March 28th that we close below both the 20 and the 50 in ES. So we need to take out a prior day's high to come back into balance on the daily. Good luck trading today. Thanks for liking and subscribing to this YouTube channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.